Explore why earning a PhD after an MBA could be a lucrative professional path. Let us delve into why doing a PhD after MBA is considered beneficial. Let's see briefly in this video. When opting for an online PhD program, prioritize accredited universities to ensure quality education and global recognition. Accreditation guarantees adherence to rigorous standards, both online and offline, essential for a reputable academic journey. Take the time to research and select a university that aligns with your academic and career goals, securing a solid foundation for your future success. From gaining a competitive edge to becoming a scholar practitioner, there are plenty of reasons to pursue a PhD in management. Pursuing a PhD after an MBA can open endless job opportunities. You, like Mark Zuckerberg, who transformed Facebook after earning an MBA, can innovate and lead with sophisticated experience. Do not just get an MBA, increase your effect with a PhD. Become a better problem solver. A good PhD in management program inspires you to do more than receiving knowledge. Refine your expertise. PhD in management offers innovative strategies for global leadership success. Evolve as a scholar practitioner. PhD after MBA will give you the knowledge and self-confidence to attend academic conferences and present them. You can join PhD in management after MBA. A doctorate degree in management can also be done online after your master's in business management with ease. You can complete your doctorate with complete support from experts in the business field and at your own pace. Research potential programs. Investigate universities that offer PhDs in management, considering faculty expertise and research prospects. Prepare a strong application. Create a convincing statement of purpose that highlights your research interests and aligns with program aims. Build relationships. Connect with potential advisors and faculty members to discuss your research interests and fit within their research teams. Stay committed. Once admitted, dedicate yourself to rigorous coursework. Research and collaboration to successfully earn your PhD in management. Pursuing a PhD after an MBA opens doors to unparalleled career growth and advancement opportunities. With an MBA already under your belt, you have gained valuable business acumen and management skills. However, a PhD takes your expertise to the next level. PhD holders enjoy significantly higher earning potential compared to individuals with only an MBA or bachelor's degree. By pursuing a PhD after an MBA, you position yourself for greater financial rewards and career advancement opportunities. Unlock your potential and elevate your earning potential with a PhD. Take the next step. Pursue your PhD after MBA today with Texila.